and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to get to know me and become friends and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. I have an unboxing for you guys today, and it is my paid box from Boxycharm. So there are a few repeat items. Yeah, but this time we get a card. So let's go through it, and then I want to know if you like my PR box or my paid box better. Okay, here we go. So the one thing I got in my PR box, and now I've got my paid box, is by LES Beauty, and it says it's a new launch. It's an $18 value, and it's that creamy bronzer. Let me show you what she looks like. Here we go. She has a little mirror, and I'm not a fan of cream bronzer, so I won't be using it, but I guess it's okay to get, right? All right, so let's move on. Then we have a repeat item. They did send me an email saying that I had 2 repeat items and they were going to make up for it, giving me $12, which I did use in the drop shop. And I also noticed too that you have that $1.99 fee, the handling fee that we have now when we purchase the box, also in the drop shop, just so you know. All right, so Natasha Denona, you guys have all seen it. It's not a surprise. Here it is. It's the Cupid Cheek Duo. It is a $42 value, and it has a cream blush and a powder highlight. So yeah, I can't really be mad though. I mean, I do have quite a few of them now, but I can't be mad because it's Natasha Denona. Okay, let's move on. By Teint, we have the Reveal Spa Water Gel Mask, a $28 value, and oh my goodness, it smells so good. Okay, get back to the video, Karen. All right, so yeah, I've never gotten this before, so I'm excited to try it. Then we have, which is also a repeat, the Tarte, I just don't know how to pronounce this. Juicy Lip Balm, and this is the shade Orchid, and it has a $21 value. I do have it over here, and it is on my lips. The only thing I want to mention about this is that, and most of you know, because this is my first time getting one when I got it a few weeks ago, or last month, whatever it was, you pump this up. Don't pump it too much though, because you can't pump it down. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. All right, I am all over the place today. It's Sunday, and I'm filming in my room, and it is chaotic out there, so I'm hiding. Moms have to hide from time to time, right? All right, so we got that. Then the last thing is by Lunar Beauty. It is the Nude Prism Eyeshadow Palette, a $48 value. It's gorgeous. It has 18 shades. Some are matte, some are shimmer. This is like my third one. But I'm going to show you her. Here she is. Isn't she gorgeous? Love this palette. And I can't be mad because it's Manny MUA's brand. So yes, it is a repeat item. There are 3 repeats in my box. This palette here, the Tarte Lip Gloss, and the Natasha Denona Cupid palette. So as we're recapping, the eyeshadow palette, the Tarte Lip Gloss, the Natasha Denona Cupid palette, all my repeats. Then we have the cream bronzer and the mask. So that is everything that is in my paid box. What do you guys think? Do you like my PR box better? I'll put that in here for you, and I will total this up. Let me tell you what. Looks like I have variation 51. So let me know, because you guys have been out there on YouTube watching more unboxing videos. Have you seen this variation unboxed? And have you seen the PR box? Have you seen that one as well? Let me know. I can't wait to talk to you down in the comments. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate you guys so much. Mwah! And thank you to those of you who have been voting for me for the Fab Over 40. I will put that link down here. The top winner gets chosen on Thursday, and I cannot wait. I'm hoping that it's me, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!